Hi, this is the review for the car reversing camera for BMW X5 series. So here's the camera. As you can see, it's a nicely built aluminium casing. Be careful when buying similar cameras, cheaper cameras, which has a plastic casing. This one is made of aluminium, really strong, robust. So you will get the camera, then you will get the hole saw, here's the hole saw to drill the hole to fit the camera. Also you will get the power lead and the video cable. It's actually video and power cable. It's a special cable with the optional power cables here. Be careful when buying similar products, similar cameras which don't have this power cable. You need it to connect with your head unit. So you will be able to switch on reversing camera display automatically when you engage the reversing gear. If you don't have this cable with the video cable, then you cannot switch on automatically your display or head unit display. You need to do it every time manually, going through your display menu. So, and also you will get the installation manual. I have those cameras with the three type of sensors. CMOS sensor with 420 TV lines. Also have CCD sensor, Sony CCD sensor with 480 TV lines, and Sony CCD sensor with 520 TV lines. Thank you for watching.